Welcome to English Challenger. In this new video, we'll be exploring the English alphabet. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so I encourage you to carefully watch, listen, and repeat. A. Apple. B. Bird. C. Cat. D. Dolphin. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Giraffe. H. Heart. I. Ice cream. J. Jellyfish. K. Kangaroo. L. Leaf. M. Mouse. N. Notebook. O. Owl. P. Pig. Q. Queen. R. Ring. S. Sun. T. Tree. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Watermelon. X. Xylophone. Y. Yacht. Z. Zebra. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.